Well, we got about 400 metres or so, and then my skidoo died again. You gotta love them. Maybe Scott was right. Maybe we should have bought horses, Chris. I think they're more reliable. Yeah, we could have eaten them. We changed the spark plugs. We've tried multiple times. She's just not going to start. I need a cup of tea. Academic breaks down in the time to go. She's only over there, our base. Well, how are you feeling about yourself, Camilla? The tent would be nice, but look, there's a tent just over there. Did we do well? Honestly, she's fine. I hope so.